This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Yolanda Shelton. Love boating? Need a boat ramp? Look no further. This beautifully remodeled waterfront condo is right off the Hillsborough River in a gated community. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo has everything you are looking for to live or rent. Beautiful view of the river right on your balcony. Spending your evening on the screened-in balcony watching the river flow by in peace and tranquility. New air conditioner 2021. New cabinets and granite counters in the kitchen and master bathroom. Updated lighting in the kitchen. New ceiling fans in every room. Waterproof laminate flooring throughout. Prime location. Just a short drive to Busch Gardens, Adventure Island, and many more conveniences. Take your water toys out anytime you are ready. 24-hour security, community pool, clubhouse, playground, etc. This place has it all. For more information, review the details below.